Guys, there's someone on my head. You check it, you're on my head. You know that? Alright, come on. You look hungry for some seed. Come on. Yeah, but you have to jump on my arm. Don't bite me. Come on. So close. Just jump. Ow! Yes, that's it. Come. No, you're not getting it. You have to jump on my arm first. Come on. I've literally been waiting here for like past 10 minutes. Boys usually jump on. Any boys? Alright, I'm just gonna leave my arm here. Dude, it is currently raining and our neighbours just left. Great. Now come on, guys. Everyone just share. Come on. Yeah, come on. Don't fight. You? Yes, come on, jump on. You look hungry. Come on. Jump. Yes, yes. Come on. Oh, no. Come on, guys. I'm waiting. Yes, come on. Oh, God, people are flying all over the place. Yes, you. You. Yes. Good. Ah, your claws. Oi, 2 people. What, is 3 gonna come on? I don't think I've ever had this before. 2 people coming on. Hey, guys. Can someone jump on my head? Because that literally just happened before. Or 3 people. Oi, don't fight. There's heaps of guys. Come on. Okay. Okay, 3. Oi! Everyone share. What are you doing down there? No, you're not allowed to be there. Oi! Okay, you know what? I'll take you guys on a trip. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Your claws are digging in to my hand. Ah! Cockies. Go away. Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh, I can walk pretty fast with this guy now. Ah! Oh! Your claws! Whoa, you! Here, guys, I'll just allow you to just jump off. There you go.